Hello, and welcome to Grip News 2M, your trusted channel for news and insights. I'm your host, Daniel, and today we have an important topic to discuss: investing money as a teenager. As a teenager, you might think investing is something reserved for adults or seasoned professionals. However, learning about investing at a young age can set you on a path toward financial independence and a brighter future. So, let's dive into the world of investing and explore how you can make your money work for you. Before we begin, it's important to note that investing involves risks, and it's essential to do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor or guardian before making any investment decisions. With that said, let's move on to our first tip. Tip 1: Start with education. Education is the foundation of successful investing. Take the time to learn about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Read books, attend workshops, or explore reputable online resources that provide valuable insights into the world of investing. Building a solid knowledge base will empower you to make informed decisions in the future. Now that you have a better understanding of investing, it's time to consider your financial goals and risk tolerance. Tip 2: Set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your investments. Are you saving for college, a car, or maybe even retirement? Setting clear financial goals will help you prioritize your investments and make smarter choices aligned with your long-term aspirations. Once you have your goals in mind, it's crucial to manage your money effectively. Tip 3: Practice budgeting. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. By understanding your cash flow, you'll have a clearer picture of how much you can allocate toward investing. Remember, investing should be done with money you can afford to put aside for the long term. Now, let's discuss some investment options suitable for teenagers. Tip 4: Explore low-risk investments. As a teenager, you might prefer low-risk investments to preserve your capital. Consider options like savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, or bonds. These investments typically offer stability and a steady return, although the returns might be lower compared to riskier investments. As you grow older and gain more experience, you may want to venture into the world of stocks. Tip 5: Understand the stock market. The stock market can seem complex, but it offers excellent long-term growth opportunities. Research companies, diversify your portfolio, and consider investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Remember, investing in stocks involves risks, and it's essential to analyze companies thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Lastly, don't forget the power of patience and long-term thinking. Tip 6: Embrace long-term thinking. Investing is a long-term game. It's important to resist the temptation of quick gains and focus on the long-term potential of your investments. By adopting a patient and disciplined approach, you can ride out short-term market fluctuations and benefit from the power of compounding over time. Additionally, it's crucial to stay updated and informed about the financial markets. Tip 7: Stay informed. Follow financial news, read reputable publications, and stay informed about economic trends. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and adapt your investment strategy as needed. Lastly, seek guidance from experienced individuals or professionals in the field. Tip 8: Seek guidance. Don't hesitate to consult with a financial advisor or seek guidance from experienced investors. They can provide valuable insights, help you understand the intricacies of investing, and guide you in making sound investment decisions that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Investing as a teenager may seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and approach, it can be an exciting journey toward financial independence. That wraps up our discussion on how to invest money as a teenager. Remember, investing is a learning process, and it's never too early to start building your financial future. By educating yourself, setting clear goals, managing your money wisely, and staying informed, you can navigate the world of investments with confidence. Thank you for joining us on Grip News 2M. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. If you have any questions or want to share your own investment experiences, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy investing. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.